Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the iPhone and eliminating simple causes. Update iOS, clean the true depth area, and remove any case or screen film that blocks the sensors. Once done, restart the phone to clear transient glitches. Then open Settings Face ID and passcode to confirm Face ID is enabled for the features you want. Make these first moves now because they fix most problems quickly and let you proceed to re-enroll Face ID if needed. After confirming settings, reset Face ID and start a fresh enrollment. Tap Setup Face ID and follow the on-screen circle prompts. Position your face about 10 to 20 inches from the true depth camera and slowly rotate your head so the system captures multiple angles. This improves recognition reliability. Make sure attention awareness is on for security and add an alternate appearance if you often look different. These steps ensure the software learns a robust model of your face. Finish by testing Face ID across common tasks, unlocking, app sign-in, and Apple Pay to confirm consistency. If recognition still fails, update iOS and try reset all settings. If that does not help, back up and perform a device restore. Make sure to retry enrollment afterward. One key troubleshooting tip. Persistent failures after software fixes usually indicate a true depth hardware fault. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.